Welcome to Be Me on Air. Back again with the handsome, rugged Roy.
Hi guys, me again, Roy.
Today we're gonna you have Papa Recipe, and kind of under the same umbrella you have INGA, the makeup brand. What does INGA mean though?
Inspired by the Korean artist, so INGA.
That's so hot.
So you are using the INGA.
Cover fitting tattoo cushion. It's supposed to have tattoo-like adherence.
Doesn't it feel like cooling?
It does. It does. Right, next. Easy drawing eyebrow pencil. You get a screw brush, and you get it's kind of like almost very skinny triangle shape, which is great for filling the brows quickly and efficiently. This palette is very basic, but likes basic colors like me. It's all kind of in there. Should we try some of the eyeshadow on you then?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do I look different?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. Oh, yes. You look so good. This color, I chose this one. Rose Marsala, because there are several options.
We have like 17 different colors.
And they're all so pretty. I showed them the glowy one.
Yeah.
The glowy one is so pretty. She's gorgeous.
There is thumbnail, another thumbnail.
Now, we could be done here, but come here, Jimmy.
Hi.
This is my friend, Jimmy. So I'm gonna take this lavender shade. Let me do her eyeliner quickly. 예쁘다. So I think we're done. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Laughing pose, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.